So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to find average using Power BI DAX. So for this, let's move on to the Power BI desktop. And for this tutorial, I have made use of this online retail dataset. It has four columns. As you guys can see, the first one is order date. Then we have category, profit, and sales. Now let's say we want to find out what was the average sales that was generated for this dataset. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, over here in the table tools, I have one option known as new measure. So just select this. We are going to create a new measure and let's give it a name as average sales is equal to, there is one function known as average, and inside this just pass the sales column and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new measure with the name average sales. So let's get back to the report pane and just select this new measure that we have created, and instead of bar, let's say I want a card so that I can see the numeric value. So as you guys can see, the average sales that was generated is 174.23. So in this way we can make use of average functions in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.